Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever been on the hunt for an eyeshadow that's gentle on sensitive eyes, but still packs a punch in color, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Jane Iredale PurePressed Eye Shadow in the shade Oyster, a shimmery, mineral-based powder designed to deliver long-lasting, crease-resistant color. This eyeshadow is formulated with minerals, which makes it ideal for anyone with sensitive eyes or delicate skin around the eye area. It promises high pigmentation, a smooth, blendable texture, and a finish that catches the light beautifully without feeling heavy or cakey. The Oyster shade is a soft, luminous shimmer that can work both as a subtle daytime highlight or layered for a more dramatic evening look. When I tried incorporating this into my daily makeup routine, I immediately noticed how easy it was to work with. The texture is silky and glides onto the eyelid without tugging or creating fallout. Blending is straightforward. Whether using a finger or a brush, the pigment spreads evenly and builds up nicely if you want a bolder effect. Over several hours, the color held up well without creasing or fading, which is impressive for a powder eyeshadow. What I loved most was how gentle it felt around my eyes. There was no irritation, which is always a huge plus for anyone prone to sensitivity. The shimmery finish is subtle yet radiant, giving the eyes a fresh, awake appearance without looking glittery or overdone. On the flip side, if you prefer extremely intense or glitter-heavy shades, you might find the shimmer more understated than expected. Looking at the pros and cons, it's easy to see the appeal. Pros: excellent for sensitive eyes, highly pigmented, long-lasting, smooth and blendable texture, elegant shimmer. Cons: shimmer may be too subtle for those seeking bold sparkle. Single shade limits versatility unless paired with other shadows. In terms of value for money, Jane Iredale positions itself in the premium range, and I think the price is justified. You're getting a product that's clean, mineral-based, safe for sensitive eyes, and performs exceptionally well over long wear. Compared to other mineral-based or sensitive eye-friendly eyeshadows, it holds its own, particularly in pigmentation and blendability, though some lower-priced alternatives might offer similar shimmer effects without the brand prestige or sensitive eye safety. The compact packaging is sleek, sturdy, and travel-friendly, so you don't have to worry about breakage in your bag. Longevity-wise, the product maintained its quality after multiple uses, and the pigmentation stayed true throughout my testing period. If you're exploring alternatives, brands like Bare Minerals or RMS Beauty offer similar mineral-based, gentle formulas at slightly different price points, but they vary in shimmer intensity and blendability. For anyone prioritizing sensitive eye safety with reliable color payoff, Jane Iredale remains a top contender. So who is this shade for? Oyster is perfect for anyone looking for a luminous, everyday shimmer that enhances the eyes naturally. It works beautifully for office wear, casual outings, or even layered into evening makeup for a soft glow. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried the Jane Iredale PurePressed Eye Shadow or have your favorite shades, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.